We are in Sunbury today, where there is a beehive in this wall. 2 years ago we came along and we pulled a beehive out of this wall, just there. They had tried to lock it in from memory, but the bees found a way around. They haven't gotten the brickwork repaired yet, and it was prior to us filling the cavities, so they've given me some old clothing to fill this cavity and this cavity. So we'll pull some bricks out and see what we're dealing with. And there's the exposed hive. This hive's a lot bigger than the hive that was pulled out a couple of years ago. Beautiful hive. It's obviously dusty, so a bit of a clean up for the bees, but I'll do alright. It goes just a fraction lower down there, but it's looking good. Awesome. Okay, so it's a decent sized hive. I've taken most of the first 2 layers off, and you can see it's still very big, and so we've got 3 frames of comb there. Haven't got the queen yet. She's gone deeper, but it's all good. I've sprayed eucalyptus oil into that cavity, and the cavity over there, just to stop the bees running into them, and we'll keep going. Okay, we're rocking through it. The colour of the comb's telling me the hive's been here at least 12 months. Queen's hiding, but we're getting there. Okay, so I've got all of the comb out, 8 frames of brood and resources, and Queenie is down there. Had to be behind the metal bar, but all good. I'll grab her, get her in to a queen clip, and then we'll be able to close up the hive and let them reorientate themselves. I got too enthusiastic and sweeped Queenie into the box just when I was scooping bees, but it's all good. So we've still got bees on the wall there, but we've got more and more bees now on the front of the hive. So all good. We'll come back in a couple of hours after I do my next one in Sunbury and see how they're looking from there. And we're now back here at the first of the Sunbury jobs. Almost no bees up there, just cleaning up any residual stuff, and they're pretty much all either on the box or in the box. So that's awesome, that's exactly what we wanted to see. I'll come back Monday night to take them out of here.